At Best Reviews, our goal is to help you simplify shopping. We take highly rated products and use them how the average person would, so we can test whether or not they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises. Today, we're putting the DeLonghi Pinguino PAC EX 390 UV Care Portable Air Conditioner to the test. This UV Care Light model promises to keep your home cool and comfortable while protecting against viruses and bacteria with UVC technology. We tested the powerful 3-in-1 cooling, dehumidifying, and fan unit in an actual home setting to see how it performs. When buying a new air conditioner, it's essential to consider how large the room is you'll be cooling, along with how noisy the machine is. You'll want to know what the device's energy consumption is and how often you plan on running it, so you can get an idea of average cost of use. The UV Care Light Portable Air Conditioner was able to cool our large area by 10 degrees in around an hour, and had the same impact in smaller rooms in less than 30 minutes. When using this device's cooling mode, you can feel a considerable difference in the temperature in around 10 to 15 minutes. The air was noticeably less stale and less humid after using the device for an hour or so. In terms of cost, this portable AC will run you about $650, making it one of the pricier models out there. But is it worth the price tag? Let's take a look at the pros and cons to find out. First, the pros. The DeLonghi UV Care Light rolls from room to room with ease and has impressive cooling capabilities. The dehumidifier reduces moisture in the air, and the UVC technology protects against viruses and bacteria by killing up to 99.5% of viruses and 96.4% of bacteria, making the air in your home cleaner and more comfortable. This portable air conditioner is considerably quieter than other units of the same size, and its sleek design means it won't be an eyesore if you leave it out in the open. Now let's take a look at the cons. The mounting brackets can be cumbersome and don't fit in every window. The filter chamber on the back can be quite difficult to take off, and although the remote is handy, it can be finicky at times. All in all, the DeLonghi PAC EX 390 UV Care is an impressive device that excels at keeping your air cool and clean from bacteria and viruses. The price point is high, but the features make the device well worth it if you feel the air quality in your home could be improved.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.
Turn on the air conditioner. Turn off the air conditioner after 1 hour.
This Whynter ARC 122 DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors. Here's how easy a PAC can be to set up. All Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan mode only, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one of each of the hoses. Install the small slide-in connector and small cutout connector onto the small exhaust hose by turning counterclockwise. Install the large slide-in connector and large cutout connector onto the large intake hose by turning clockwise. Fix one end of the intake and exhaust connectors onto the rear ports of the unit by sliding the connectors into each slot. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. Insert the fixtures through the back grooved side of the window slider bars with the hole cutouts. Line up the 4 screw holes and tighten the fixtures with 4 screws from the front of the panel. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional slider bars if your window is oversized. Close the window on the window slider kit. Move the PAC to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the other end of each hose to the window slider bar. Align the hose connector cutouts of the tabs to the fixtures and snap the hoses to the window slider kit. Portable and easy to set up, Whynter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning.
Whynter is a company that for many years has produced portable ice makers, ice cream makers, deep freezers, and portable air conditioners. If you're living in a place without windows and without the possibility to install a more conventional air conditioner, Whynter offers you a great product that you can easily set up anywhere you like, the Whynter Arc 14S. Whynter's dual hose Arc 14S is rated at 14,000 BTU. This translates to a unit that can comfortably cool a room up to 500 square feet. This air conditioner uses the eco-friendly CFC-free R410A refrigerant, meaning that it'll win over the hearts of the eco-conscious people as well. This means that this unit will keep your room safe from dangerous chemicals. The dual hose technology, explained simply, is the ability of the unit to use an exhaust hose to remove the warm air that's created in the process of producing cool air. Also, the dual hose technology offers the fastest cooling, which means your rooms will cool in a couple of minutes. The patented advanced auto-drain technology of Whynter's units recycles the moisture that's collected through the cooling process, meaning that you won't need to empty it regularly. Whynter's Arc 14S features air conditioning mode, fan mode, and the dehumidifier mode. This means that the unit is pretty versatile, providing you with a lot of options for your needs. With an energy efficiency rating of 11.2, it's relatively efficient with power consumption, keeping your electricity bills in check. It also has an expandable hose of up to 60 inches, which makes a big difference in portable air conditioners. While not being the quietest option, which sometimes may bother you, if you weigh in the pros and cons, you'll see the pros are way bigger. Assuming that a portable air conditioner will cover your needs, of course, you need a portable air conditioner that's mighty powerful, capable of giving you instant cooling in the expense of some silence. This one might just be the perfect air conditioning unit. This unit would be mostly suited for office spaces or living rooms, making it perhaps not such a good option for bedrooms based on noise levels.